We've all been there. The alarm clock screams. You hit snooze one too many times. Suddenly, you're scrambling to get ready for work or school. Sound familiar? In the chaos of busy mornings, breakfast often gets pushed aside. But skipping this crucial meal can leave you feeling drained and sluggish all morning. That's where the magic of meal prep comes in. Imagine waking up to a delicious, nutritious breakfast waiting for you in the fridge. No rushing, no fuss. Just grab and go. Meal prepping is a game changer for busy mornings, giving you precious extra time and ensuring you start your day fueled and focused. Are you ready to ditch the breakfast struggle and embrace stress-free mornings? Let's dive into the world of vegan breakfast meal prep. Starting a vegan breakfast meal prep routine might seem daunting, but it's easier than you think. With a little bit of planning and some creativity, you can set yourself up for a week of delicious and nutritious meals that will keep you energized and satisfied. The key is to plan ahead. By taking some time to organize your meals, you can ensure that you have everything you need and avoid the stress of last-minute decisions. Start by choosing a few recipes that you enjoy and that are easy to prepare. Set aside an hour or two on the weekend to prepare your breakfast for the week. This might seem like a lot of time, but it will save you so much more during the busy mornings. You can batch cook several meals at once, making it easy to grab and go. Not only will this save you time in the mornings, but it will also keep you on track with your healthy eating goals. Having pre-prepared meals means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy options when you're in a rush. Begin by choosing a few simple and delicious recipes that you're excited to eat. Think overnight oats, chia pudding, breakfast burritos, or tofu scrambles. These meals are not only tasty but also packed with nutrients to start your day right. These options are packed with nutrients, easy to make in advance, and can be customized to your liking. You can add your favorite fruits, nuts, seeds, and spices to make each meal unique and enjoyable. Once you've selected your recipes, create a shopping list with all the necessary ingredients. This will help you stay organized and ensure that you have everything you need when it's time to cook. Having everything on hand will streamline the cooking process and prevent last-minute grocery runs. Make sure to stock up on pantry staples like oats, nuts, seeds, and spices, as well as fresh fruits and vegetables. With a little planning and organization, you'll be well on your way to enjoying delicious and nutritious vegan breakfasts all week long. Not only will you save time and reduce stress, but you'll also be nourishing your body with wholesome plant-based foods. So, embrace the vegan meal prep routine and start your day with a smile. Don't forget to include a variety of breakfast options to keep things interesting. Smoothie bowls, green smoothies, and vegan breakfast sandwiches are all great choices that can be prepared in advance and enjoyed throughout the week. Smoothie bowls can be made by blending your favorite fruits with some plant-based milk and topping them with granola, nuts, and seeds. Green smoothies are a quick and easy way to get your greens in, and breakfast sandwiches can be assembled with tofu, avocado, and whole grain bread. Pack your breakfast sandwiches in reusable containers, pour your smoothies into jars, and store your smoothie bowls in the fridge. This way, you can grab them on your way out the door and enjoy a healthy breakfast no matter how busy your morning is. Whether you're eating at home, at your desk, or on the go, having a pre-prepared vegan breakfast will make your morning smoother and more enjoyable. Plus, you'll be setting a positive example for others and showing them how easy and delicious vegan eating can be. So, take the time to embrace the vegan meal prep routine. Your body, mind, and taste buds will thank you. Enjoy the process, experiment with new recipes, and savor the benefits of a well-planned and nutritious start to your day. We get it. Mornings can be a whirlwind. The alarm goes off, and suddenly it's a race against the clock. Whether you're getting ready for work, school, or just trying to start your day on the right foot, mornings can often feel like a chaotic blur. But what if we told you that with a few simple hacks, you could transform your mornings from stressful to serene? But fear not, these time-saving hacks will have you out the door with a nourishing, high-protein breakfast in hand, even on the busiest of days. Imagine waking up to a kitchen that's already prepped and ready to go, with breakfast just waiting for you to grab and enjoy. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's entirely possible with a bit of planning and preparation. First up, embrace the power of batch cooking. This is a game changer for anyone looking to save time in the mornings. By dedicating a couple of hours on the weekend to meal prep, you can set yourself up for success all week long. Not only does this save time, but it also ensures that you have healthy homemade meals ready to go. Double or triple your favorite vegan breakfast recipes on the weekend to enjoy throughout the week. Think about it. Instead of cooking every morning, you can simply reheat a delicious protein-packed meal that you prepared in advance. This not only saves time, but also reduces the stress of figuring out what to eat each day. Store individual portions in airtight containers for easy grab-and-go meals. These containers keep your food fresh and make it easy to see what you have available. Plus, having everything portioned out means you won't overeat or waste food. Think overnight oats in mason jars or breakfast burritos wrapped in foil. These are perfect examples of meals that can be prepped in advance and enjoyed throughout the week. Overnight oats are incredibly versatile and can be customized with your favorite fruits, nuts, and seeds. Breakfast burritos, on the other hand, are hearty and can be filled with a variety of ingredients to keep things interesting. Another time saver is to prep your ingredients ahead of time. This means washing, chopping, and measuring out everything you need for your meals. By doing this in advance, you can cut down on the time it takes to prepare your breakfast each morning. Wash and chop fruits and vegetables, measure out oats and chia seeds, and portion out nuts and seeds. Having these ingredients ready to go means you can quickly assemble your breakfast without any hassle. Plus, it makes it easier to stick to healthy eating habits when everything is prepped and ready. Having everything ready to go will make assembling your breakfast a breeze. Imagine being able to throw together a nutritious, protein-rich meal in just a few minutes because all the hard work has already been done. This not only saves time, but also makes your mornings much more enjoyable. Lastly, don't be afraid to enlist the help of kitchen appliances. These tools can be a lifesaver when it comes to saving time and effort in the kitchen. From slow cookers to blenders, there are plenty of gadgets that can make meal prep easier and faster. A slow cooker can work wonders for overnight oats, while a blender can whip up smoothies or pancake batter in a flash. Imagine waking up to a warm bowl of oats that have been cooking overnight, or blending up a quick smoothie packed with fruits, veggies, and protein. These appliances take the guesswork out of meal prep and make it easy to enjoy a healthy breakfast. Embrace the technology that makes healthy eating easier and faster. With the right tools and a bit of planning, you can transform your mornings from chaotic to calm. So, give these time-saving hacks a try and start your day off on the right foot. You'll be amazed at how much easier and more enjoyable your mornings can be. A well-balanced vegan breakfast is key to staying energized and satisfied throughout the morning. Starting your day with the right nutrients can make a significant difference in how you feel and perform throughout the day. It's not just about filling your stomach, it's about fueling your body with the right kind of energy that will sustain you until your next meal. The magic formula? Protein, fiber, and healthy fats. These three components are essential for a balanced meal that supports your overall health and well-being. Each of these nutrients plays a unique role in your body, and together they create a powerful synergy that can help you achieve your health goals. This powerful trio works together to keep your blood sugar levels stable, curb cravings, and provide long-lasting energy. When you consume a meal that includes protein, fiber, and healthy fats, you're giving your body the tools it needs to function optimally. Stable blood sugar levels mean fewer energy crashes and mood swings, while curbing cravings helps you make healthier food choices throughout the day. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it also helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. It's a crucial nutrient for maintaining muscle mass, especially if you're active or trying to build strength. Including a good source of protein in your breakfast can help you stay full until lunchtime, reducing the temptation to snack on less healthy options. Great sources of plant-based protein for breakfast include tofu, which is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, tempeh, which is fermented and packed with probiotics, chia seeds, which are tiny but mighty in protein content, hemp seeds, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and nut butters, which add a creamy texture and a dose of healthy fats. Fiber is your digestive system's best friend. It helps to keep things moving smoothly through your digestive tract, preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. Fiber also plays a role in regulating blood sugar levels and can help lower cholesterol. It aids in digestion, regulates bowel movements, and helps you feel fuller for longer. Foods that are high in fiber take longer to digest, which means they provide a slow and steady release of energy. This can help you avoid the mid-morning energy slump and keep you feeling satisfied until your next meal. Load up on fiber with fruits, vegetables, oats, and chia seeds. These foods are not only high in fiber, but also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your breakfast can also make your meal more visually appealing and enjoyable to eat. Healthy fats are crucial for hormone production, cell function, and nutrient absorption. They provide a concentrated source of energy and help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. Incorporate sources like avocado, which is rich in monounsaturated fats and adds a creamy texture to your meals, nuts, which are packed with protein and healthy fats, seeds, which are small but nutrient-dense, and coconut oil into your breakfast for a dose of healthy fats. Coconut oil is a versatile ingredient that can be used in cooking or added to smoothies for an extra boost of energy. Sprinkling seeds and nuts over your breakfast can add a satisfying crunch and enhance the nutritional profile of your meal. By balancing these three essential nutrients in your vegan breakfast, you'll set yourself up for a productive and energized day. Taking the time to plan and prepare a nutritious breakfast can have a positive impact on your overall health and well-being. So, start your day right with a meal that includes protein, fiber, and healthy fats, and enjoy the benefits of sustained energy, improved focus, and better mood throughout the day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to help grow our community. This channel, created by Said Mustafa, a passionate public health professional and forward thinker, is here to bring you meaningful content that empowers a healthier, happier life. Stay in the loop. Tap that notification bell so you never miss our latest updates.